Hey, 5th grade, we are going to be multiplying decimals by whole numbers. So I'm going to do a couple of examples on my board. So in your book, it shows your problems wrote like this. 3 times 27 hundredths. I always rewrite them. So I'm going to rewrite it 27 hundredths times 3 because I always do the bigger number on the top. You multiply normally. 7 times 3, 7, 14, 21. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And here is where the difference is between adding and subtracting decimals. When you add or subtract decimals, if you remember, you line your decimal up. When you multiply decimals, you just see how many numbers are behind the decimal, and then you move your decimal over that many places. So 27 hundredths times 3 gives you 81 hundredths. Okay, we'll do another one. So in your book, it would show it wrote like this, horizontally. I like to rewrite them. 23 hundredths times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 places behind the decimal. If you remember, your decimal is always at the end of a whole number, and you just move it over 1, 2, and that's your answer. When you have more than just a bigger number, more than just, let's say 19.34 times 3. You still multiply like you normally do. 12, 9, 10. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1 is 28. And then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So I have all of my numbers here. I still go back and see how many numbers are behind the decimal. 1, 2. 2 numbers, so 1, 2. So my answer for 19 and 34 hundredths times 3 gives you 58 and 2 hundredths. And we'll do one more. Okay, 461 thousandths times 5. You multiply normally. 5 times 1 is 5. 30. 20 plus 3. Okay, there are 3 numbers behind the decimal, so I move my decimal 1, 2, 3. And that is how you multiply decimals.